How to order Nike shoes online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can order your Nike shoes online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to order shoes from Nike.com, you can use the app, or easier way, you can also open up your browser and go to Nike.com, and you want to make sure to log into the account. Now it is optional to log in, but if you log in, that's better because later on you can track your orders and so on. So over here you just need to look for a certain shoe that maybe you want to shop for some particular reason here, and then you can just go ahead and select a certain shoe. Then you can simply scroll down to its product details, and then you should be able to view all of its sizes and everything else that you can see. So you can select a size option here, and then once done you can tap on add to bag option. Once you've added them to your bag, if you want to add more you can continue to add them, or you can directly go to the checkout process from here. Once you go to the checkout process, it will may or may not ask you to log in, or you have to simply make sure to enter your delivery options here. After you basically enter your delivery options, such as whether you want to pick it up or maybe you want it to be shipped, depending upon what is that, make sure to enter your first name, your last name, and then what happens over here is that you should be able to go ahead and then pick up or ship whatever else it is that you're using. Then you can directly head over to the payment page, right? So you can simply scroll down here, you can simply select any of the stores, tap on next, enter the payment, review the order, and then you should be able to order it. This way you can order Nike shoes online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.